Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through how to pay for the SGR through the M-PESA mobile app. So you go to your M-PESA mobile app, you click the discovery button, the one at the center down here. You open it and then go to Madaraka Express. You click on it and it will load like this for a few seconds and then open. So you just follow the procedure here. You click on the type of bus, blah blah blah, and then you input the date that you want to travel in. For example, today is 30th, and then you put in the time and then book a train. You click on book the train. Here you select the number of people that are to travel. You input their names, their name on the identity cards, the ID, number of passport if you're a foreigner, your phone number, the one you'll be contacted with, your gender, and you continue. You select the country and the class you want to travel in. So let's select economy and click continue, which is 1,000 shillings. Input your phone number, the one that you're going to pay via through the M-PESA. Input your number and then click pay. Pay to continue. In a moment, it will bring you a pop-up like this, and then you click on pay bill. So for my app, I input the thumbprint and the process is done. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If it has been of use, click the like button and share, and also subscribe to our channel so that this video can reach more people. Thank you.